this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. When people think of Nashville, Tennessee, connotations of the Grand Ole Opry and country music come to mind. However, more than 65 years and 3 generations later, Tony and Tim Worth have continued the family tool and die business located in the heart of Music City. Skyline Manufacturing Corporation, one of the only tool and die manufacturers located in the Nashville area, has held true to their mission, providing their customers with high-quality tooling on time and at a fair price. Their dedication to their customers has redefined quality, timeliness, and value for generations. Throughout the years, Skyline has made enormous efforts to guarantee their customers across all industries top-notch tooling through new technology and equipment. Their advanced ERP system helps guide management in quality control and efficiency throughout the shop, and even predicts cost to ensure the customer has the best experience possible at Skyline. For example, Skyline's state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment produces details with computer-generated data taken directly from designers. With the entire project online, their engineers can quickly navigate analysis and design, making certain no errors occur. At Skyline, their main goal is to study every last detail to ensure that their product reflects the craftsmanship and perfection that has been instilled in this establishment for generations. As a result of these efforts, they move orders faster and smarter, with precision and perfection for all of their customers worldwide. Come see the difference at Skyline Manufacturing Corporation at SkylineMFG.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.